Welcome to another video by Peninsula Floating Floors. It's a Oakleaf HD Plus in the natural, 150 metres. Renault, there was an original floor here, it was just bunning 7mm, got water damage, so I ripped it all up, threw it all away, skirts off as usual. Here we go. So we got a master with a walk-in. Post was floating around doing nothing, so we put a support on the back of that, undercut it all, skirts off, nice matching trims. In the formal living area. That was a skirt on there, looked hideous, so we put a nice matching L trim. Office. The natural in the HD, it just goes with every colour furniture, so if you're worried about choosing a colour, natural goes beautifully with everything. Or if you're selling your property, go with the natural. All the sliders, put T-moulds in front of those, so they look really tidy. Into the kitchen. I've been beading, but I decided to put L's around the kickers. It looks really clean. Under the dishwasher, into the pantry, L's around the washing machine, around the fridge, T's on the sliding doors, into the hallway. Got a bedroom in here. Young man playing video games, so I won't disturb him. Nice T-moulds everywhere. Another bedroom. The cupboards as usual. And another bedroom. Nice tight undercuts. They've been butchered, most of them, so they probably need a bit of filling. But skirts on the outside of this cupboard. Always take the rails off. They normally sit on MDF. So you throw that away and sit the rails, run the floor straight in, sit the rail on the floor, so you get nice clean lines. Looks really neat. So there you have it, 150 metres in the Oakleaf HD Plus in the natural, 30 different planks, water resistant, 48 hours, virtually unscratchable, and always looks beautiful. Hello, Jan. Oh, she's sneaking a little whiskey, look. Oh, I'll have one as well. Are you happy?
Yes.
Good. It looks beautiful. And we kept the entrance for this beautiful mosaic here, so it really looks beautiful. I told them to keep the mosaic at the entrance, didn't I, Jan?
No.
I actually told them to smash it up, but I was completely wrong. So there you go. I don't mind admitting my mistakes. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, like it. If you didn't, don't do anything. Thank you.